everyone, it's Nella here. I hope all is well. In this video, I'd like to share with you my recent purchase. So I was able to get this at the eBay and they were very inexpensive. I have now the Golden books, 101 Dalmatians. I have Beauty and the Beast, Disney's Aladdin, the Lion King, and the Walt Disney Cinderella. So I am very excited because every time I go to the thrift stores, I look for these books and they're always gone. So now I found them at eBay and I'm very excited because I can now start making junk journals using these books. And then when I went to the thrift store the other day, these are the books that I purchased. So now I have the Casey and the Beanstalk, the Hunchback, Silly Pig Has an Idea, and then I have Pinocchio. I have the big ones, Pinocchio, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. This is the big golden book. And then I have Big Birds, Sesame Street Dictionary, and the big golden book Bambi. I also found Peter Pan and another Cinderella, the big golden book, and the Little Mermaid, and then Beauty and the Beast, and the 101 Dalmatians. So now I have the little golden book and the big golden book. So that is really exciting. And when I went to the thrift store, they were on sale. So very inexpensive and they really make a great junk journal. So this will be my next project. But I also would like to share with you what I have from the thrift store. So I have all this nice jewelry. They are the custom jewelry, but I like getting them because I like making charms and junk journal charms. So these make really good junk journal charms. So just quickly, I'd like to show you what I have here. So very nice necklace. And then, let's see, I have these. Excellent custom jewelry. So I can really make nice jewelry and charms out of this. And then I have this beautiful piece. And then piece. And these are really gorgeous custom jewelry. It's nice also. And this is a very chunky one. And another chunky necklace, choker. And these beautiful pieces. Okay, so this one. And this is a very big, chunky necklace, but I love it because I like this wooden pieces, And then look at this beautiful necklace, and more pearl necklaces there. And then I have these. And the earrings. Now, I don't know where I put the other earring, but I know I have a pair, so I have to look for that other one. And then this long necklace. Really lovely. And I have these bracelets. This beautiful flower necklace. And this chain necklace. Alright, there you go. And more pearl long necklace. This is very pretty. And this gemstone. So all this I got at the thrift stores and the antique shops where I go to in Guelph. I go there every so often. This is from the antique shop. Beautiful turquoise necklace. Oh, I love this. I probably would keep it and that use it for charms. And then this gorgeous shell necklace, and look at this piece. This is so pretty. And this is a garland. Beautiful. More chains. And probably from this, maybe this one broke, but I can always use this heart for something else. And nice bracelet there. And then I have several brooch. This is pretty. Oh, okay, so this is the other earring. So now I have a pair. There you go. Beautiful. Okay, I should keep them together. Okay, there you go. Then I have this beautiful piece. And another one. And a chain. If it can focus, it doesn't focus. Oh, there you go. Okay. All right. So these are just some of the custom jewelry pieces that I was able to get. I will have to organize them, make sure that they are kept safe, protected, and not damaged. I always, when I organize them, I put them individually in plastic. So right now, I just want to show them to you. So I will organize this later after the filming. And let me show you something else. I have more. Just bear with me here. There we go. I have these also. So this is also from the antique shops and the thrift shops. So this is a nice pair of earrings. Another brooch. And pretty bracelet. And a pin. And then just beautiful earrings. I'm not gonna just take it out of the plastic, so just quickly show them to you. And this is a nice bracelet, chain bracelet. So all these charms that I can use as junk journal charms. And then I have these. And look what I have here. Bookmark. Really, really pretty butterfly there. And more earrings. So I have all this. Pins and brooch and earrings. Okay. And this one. And a lot of them are vintage because I get them from the antique shops. And when I purchase from the antique shop, I take a photo so I know which ones are vintage, which ones are from the thrift stores. So when I organize them by like coming from a vintage shop and then purchase from the thrift stores. And this is a very pretty ring. Okay, well, I don't wear this jewelry because I don't really use chunky jewelry. What I use is, you know, my handmade jewelry. I handmade all of these. So these are what I use. But I like purchasing custom chunky jewelry because I use them for my projects. Oops, there we go. And I have more earrings. Very pretty ones. There you go. And together. Okay, so let me just make sure that they are together. There you go. Very pretty earring. And I believe I have the other one here. Yeah. Okay, so there you go. So that's what I have. And again, I like going to thrift stores to purchase these books and this custom jewelry that I use for my projects. And now I will be very busy making junk journals and junk journal charms. So that's all I have for today. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you all guys in my next videos. Have an awesome, blessed day, everyone. And let's all be a blessing to others. Bye now.